Alright, first pass on the new motor at the track. Let's see how she does. Holy shit, that lifted up. Did you see how high that lifted up? Holy shit. Woo! Damn, that felt good! What? Dude, I felt like I did a wheelie. There's no way I did, but oh my God, that was crazy. Whoa! Oh, that was badass. I know it's not a PB, but that felt good. We pulled a time at a degree and a half out, a timing. So I know it wasn't gonna be a PB, but damn, that felt crazy. That thing hooked. Boy, did you see that thing lift up?
About a 713.
No fucking way. No fucking way, dude. 713? No way, dude. It was a PB. Oh, dude, that was badass. Dude, we're so close. Oh my God. That's crazy! Thank you! Oh my God! Holy shit! Oh, that was good! 713 at 104! That's a PB! Oh my God, that was crazy! Holy shit! Damn! And I was slipping the clutch, bro. We got at least a 6.9 in this all day long. Damn, that was good. Motor is healthy. Hell yeah. Damn, that felt good. Oh, that was good pass. PB, boy, PB. I wasn't even expecting it.
Where'd it go?
713, 104.
That's pretty good.
That's with me slipping too.
That's picking up.
Hell yeah. That was crazy. PB, Alex.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. That was badass.